Hello guys, good morning. So my name is Christine Perez and this is the IM Business Presentation powered by Team Diamond. So anyway, welcome. So ang question lang kapatid, idadasal ka ba gabi-gabi na sana ang bago yung buhay mo? Na sana masenso ka at matupad yung pangarap mo para sa family mo? Ang tanong ko lang, every time ba na may pinapakita opportunity para sa'yo, binibigyan ba ng kahit onting oras lang ng buhay mo para tignan or pag-aralan lang or kahit subukan? Okay, wait. So, bago mo to skip or stop, okay, bigyan mo muna ako ng ilang minuto para explain tong negosyo to para sa'yo. And I'm sure after ito, magbabagong buhay mo. If you have any questions or feedbacks after lang presentation natin, so thank you very much and keep an open mind. So, ang tukto ng tao is para daw na parachute, okay? It is best used when it is open, okay? So this is the IM Worldwide Company. So this presentation is powered by Team Diamond. Okay. So this is the president and one of our owners, Mr. Allen Marvin there. So he's a former MTV dancer. And then this is Miss Aika Lorraine Oy. This is a 27-year-old lang. So she's one of our current CEOs. At the same time, she's the vice president of our company. So good thing with IM kasi this is a dual business. So we have traditional and non-traditional business. And our non-traditional business is franchising. At the same time, okay, this is our permit. So this is our SEC registration. Okay? So legal po tayo. At the same time, so again po, this is our traditional business. So one of our suppliers is partner po sa Pure Gold for almost 10 years and proud member din po yung supplier natin ng PFA or ng Philippine Franchise Association. So right now po we have 4 concepts available for franchise. At the same time, we have upcoming concepts. We have siomai, we have also dumpling king and Japan fried gyoza naman. We also have dim sum republic para siyang fried noodles. And we also have yung siopaw na concept natin. Okay? So, maganda sa franchising natin, our franchisees have the privilege to market our existing franchise. So, maganda rin sa company natin kasi we want our distributors na magkaroon ng awareness about health. Okay? So, dalawa lang namang question din. Number 1, do you want more money or less money? Siyempre, we want more money. And pangalawa, if you want to live longer or die quickly. So, syempre, gusto na buhay ng mas matagal, diba? So, cliche man sabihin, pero prevention is better than cure. Okay? So, ang mission namin is ma-prevent yung mga future na magkakasakit. Kasi, sabi nga nila, health is the greatest equalizer. So, walang mayaman or mahirap. Basta pag nagkasakit ka, pantay-pantay tayo. This is our barley product. This is exclusive from Miss Martoni Fernandez. So, siya yung one of the celebrities sa Pilipinas na kilala natin na nagkaroon ng breast cancer. Yung actual na product na naka-help sa pagaling niya, this is our flagship product in the company. So, this is a world-class product. Marami kasing barley sa labas, pero usually kasi class B, class C barley. Pero sa atin, we're very confident that we have the world-class product. So this is a pure organic barley. It comes with the powder and capsules. And we also have choco barley. And we also have the coffee with glutathione and coffee with tongkatali. So this is FDA approved, halal approved, and Australia certified organic. You can also see this product sa Mercury tsaka sa Watsons. Pero sa atin, discounted ka once distributor ka ng product natin. The next is, bukod sa traditional business, we also have non-traditional side ng negosyo natin. So, if you have any knowledge about networking, tanggalin mo muna kasi sa atin iba siya. Okay? So, number 1, hindi record ang pagbebenta. Okay? Number 2, hindi tayo yung one time, big time, yung mag-invest ka nang walang gagawin, pero kikita ka. So, no to palawagan style. And pangatlo, this is not the usual network marketing. Okay? So, hindi tayo kulto-kulto, palakpak, power. Okay? So anyway, yung i-explain ko sa inyo is a new program that is twice and thrice much better. Okay? Pero before doon, this is the former program na in just 1 year and 3 months, okay, nagkaroon po tayo ng 36 millionaires. This is a former program natin. Nagkaroon po tayo ng 140 car achievers and 14 sports car achievers. So ito po yung mga naging successful sa past programs. Number 1 po, we also have din mga negosyante na kahit mayaman na, kumikita na malaki, talagang ginagawa yung negosyo. So, ang dahilan naman nila kasi wala tayong territorial boundaries. Kahit nasa malayo ka, pwede mo siyang gawin. At the same time, malit lang yung puhunan natin pero ang bilis ng balik or ng ROI. Okay? Next is sa mga nasa call center, yung mga tao na ginawa talaga ng paraan yung pag-join. Yung iba sa kanila nakasap ng credit card. Okay? Yung iba naman sa kanila ng hiram, umutang lang para mag-join. Pero after a few months, they got their first car. And meron din sa amin, in 8 months time, she got her first million doing this business. And we also have registered nurses. So, imbis mag-abroad, ngayon, nasa Pilipinas sila ginagawa yung negosyo at kumikita ng malaki. Right now, ay ginagawa nilang negosyo. So, imbis mag-abroad, ngayon, nasa Pilipinas sila ginagawa yung negosyo at kumikita ng malaki. Okay? And this is me. So, my name is Christine Perez. Doing this elite program, katulad ninyo, nagtatricycle lang din ako. Katulad ninyo, nagbubus lang din ako yung ordinary bus, so tipong walang aircon. This is me when I was only 18 years old. And then right now, I'm 22 years old. Last year, I was able to buy my first car, which is Honda City. And last February, I was able to hit my first million. So this will never be possible because of this program. And ang nag-refer po sa akin dito is hindi ko kakilala, but I'm very thankful to her. Okay? And ano din mga sports car achievers natin. So sila naman yung nakahit ng sports car incentive ng company natin. One of my mentors, Miss Princess Patsy, okay, dapat magka-Canada na, pero hindi naman niya. Part niya ginawa ito, 5 months nag-resign. Okay, 1 year naka-Elantra. And last year, na-hit niya yung masang incentive ng kumpanya. Ayan, Marlon Santos. He's the youngest self-made millionaire na kumpanya. Okay, at the age of 17, he was able to get his first million. The third car niya po is Chevy Camaro. Okay, na-hit niya as incentive nung 20 years old siya. So meaning, kahit bata nagagawa yung negosyo. Itong taon to, hindi to nakapagtapos, hindi to nakapag-college, hanggang high school lang to. Pero again, wala tayong requirements. Kung nagawa ng bata, mas kaya mong gawin yung negosyo natin. Kahit couple, because of this system, they were able to earn 6 million in just 1 year and 3 months. So this is Miss Peachy Capili. So siya yung taon nag-refer sa akin. So hindi ko siya kilala. Nag-inquire lang din ako sa kanya. So stranger din. Pero siya yung angel ko sa negosyo. So yung taong nag-refer sa'yo dito, angel mo yan. Kung ano yung meron ako ngayon, hindi magiging possible kung hindi ako nagtiwala din sa kanya. And the question is, paano ka mag-start? It's very simple. It's only 4 words. Avail, refer, learn, and earn. Pagka-avail mo, pag part ka ng team natin, ang next word is refer. So, hindi sinabing avail and present, avail and convince, or avail and recruit. So, simple lang. Mag-refer ka lang. Itong video na to, isi-share mo lang dun sa taong gusto mong share na negosyo. So, this video will do the explaining for you. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Pag taga-Pilipinas naman, we can meet nung referral mo and we can explain the business for them. So, kami muna at first, okay? So, we'll assist you. Teamwork yung negosyo natin. So, once mag-avail sila ng package, automatically yung komisyon sa siya mapupunta. In other words, kaya malaking kinikita sa negosyo natin kasi imbes yung pambayad natin for the advertising of our products sa mga artista, commercials, billboards, sa atin na binabayad as distributors. Next word is learn. Pag naging part ka na negosyo natin, automatically, para ka nag-enroll sa IM University. Okay? Ang course pa dito is Bachelor of Science in Millionairing. Kung mahihayin ka, magiging makapal mukha mo dito. If negative ka, magiging optimistic ka. And fourth word is earn. Okay? So, avail, refer, learn, and earn. Pero syempre, darating yung time na you have to explain yung negosyo before ka mag-present. Number 1, make it sure na kumikita ka na. Pangalawa, alam na namin kaya mo. And pangatlo, you almost got your ROI. So, we will assist you at first. Teamwork yung negosyo natin. This is our packages sa pwede mong pagpilian. So, we have gold, which is 44,800, titanium, 67,200, and platinum, which is 112,000 pesos. So, sa gold, ito inclusions natin. Okay, set A, pure barley, powder and capsules. Set B, assorted the product natin, which is coffee with tokat ali, coffee with gluta, barley choco, barley capsules, and barley powder. And set C naman yung scalar energy pendant naman natin. So, para naman siya sa radiation and electropollution na hindi nakikita ng mata. Okay? So, kasama rin ang gold, so just for you, bonus. Next naman natin dito, okay? Titanium, okay, so it has 4 sets. So, pwede magpilian. Number 1 is pure barley, capsules or powder. Set B naman natin is assorted. And set C naman natin is so scalar energy pendant naman natin. And set D naman natin is a single card or regular card natin. Okay? So, optional din. If you want na mag-food card, walang problema doon. Okay? And next naman natin dito, this is our best deal package of all. This is a platinum. Okay? It has 4 choices of products. Again, set A, pure barley, set B, assorted, set C, Killer Energy Pendant, and set D, ito naman yung entry-level type ng mall cart. Okay, kasama na this is just for you bonus. So personally, pinili ko naman talaga dito is Health and Wellness product, which is yung pure barley. Bakit? Kasi syempre, I want na buong family ko makinabang sa product. At the same time, nagtira ko na para sa akin, iba pinagpili ko sa family members ko. And at the same time, because of this product, syempre, nakatulong ka pa sa family mo na maging healthy sila, diba? So, mas mahal naman naman magpa-hospital, diba? After 10 years, mas magandang prevention na habang bata pa lang, okay? So, anyway, the question is, paano nakitaan? Okay, so automatically, once na mag-join ka, if you have noticed sa packages natin, lahat po yan is VAT inclusive. Okay, the question is, paano nakitaan? Automatically, once you avail the package, kasama ka rin sa, sa compensation plan natin. So, it is categorized in 3. So, we have personal, team, sales, and incentive. So, dito, kahit saan ka man parte ng mundo, basta may internet ka, mag-login ka lang, parang Facebook lang din yan, makikita mo na yung account mo. At the same time, okay, para sa mga kapartners natin abroad, okay, so yung income natin is through wire transfer, okay? And then, para sa mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas, yung mga taga-probinsya naman is through ATM naman, so you have to fill out lang yung form. And for our Manila, so through checks naman po tayo. So, sa labas, itong barley natin is 1.5 per box. So, sa atin, ang malapit ito, discounted ka. For example, sa barley natin, it's only 450 per box as dealer's price. Ang SRP niya is 900. So, meaning per box, may 50% kang tubo. So, you'll get 450. So, let's say 10 box, nakabenta ka na 10 boxes. Hindi naman necessarily na ibenta mo ng tingi-tingi. Yung iba sa amin, they put it sa gym, yung iba naman sa store, sari-sari store, iba naman botika, spa. So, parang consignment. So, pwede kayo maghati ng owner sa income. Automatic, let's say 10 box na ibenta mo, you'll get 4 or 5 na income. Pero again, this is not required. Selling is not required. This is only optional. Pero imagine mo sa box pa lang, isang box pa lang ng barley, meron ka ng 50% na income. So, simple lang to. Okay? So, makapag-refer ka, automatically, si IM bibigyan ka ng commission. So, gold will get 3,500. Sa titanium, pag magabi ng Health and Wellness products, you'll get 6,750. And 6,000 pag food cart naman yung inabil niya. And pag platinum, okay, pag nagabi ng Health and Wellness products, which is 100% kasama dun sa inabil niya, okay, you'll get 9,000 pesos. And, di ba imagine mo, nag-share ka ng negosyo, naging healthy na siya, kumita ka pa, at kumita rin siya at the same time because of this business, okay? So anyway, pag nag-refer ka naman na mag-food cart, you'll get 7.5. Imagine mo, maganda sa package kasi natin dito. Okay, ang qualified for just for you na bonus is yung gold and yung platinum. Ang gold, yung 44,800 and then yung platinum is 112,000. So, titanium, wala ka na siyang just for you. So, if you're able to refer at least 4 na mga kakilala mo na mag-aabil ng just for you na package, you will be given an additional commission, okay? Pag in-abilize gold, magkakaroon ka, pag naka-refer ka ng 4, magkakaroon ka pa ng 40,000. Pag platinum naman ni-refer mo, 4 ang kumuha ng platinum, you'll get 100,000 pesos additional commission, okay? So, ganun siya kasimple. It doesn't matter kung barley or card yung i-avail nila, automatic, meron ka just for you na bonus. Ang maganda sa atin, the next time na mag-avail ka ng food card, discounted ka na. Okay? So, for example, nag-platinum package ka. The next time na mag-avail ka ng regular card, 28,800 na lang siya. Yung regular card. Pag mall card naman, 48,800 na lang. So, maganda nito, yung ma-refer mo at makapag-refer pa sila at makapag-refer down the line, kikita ka pa rin. Ganun siya kasimple. So, anyway, okay? So, you will earn from every point or product package your person is sold or anyone under your organization. Okay? So, kailangan lang makapag-refer ka ng 2 wholesaler para ma-activate yung sales match commission. So, ganun siya kasimple. Imagine mo sa Facebook, imposible naman wala kang 2 kakilala na gustong mag-business, 100 na lang, diba? So, lahat na naghanap ng additional income or business, ito lang i-share mo sa kanila. So, for example, okay, this is you. Nakapag-refer ka ng 2 gold. So, this is what we call point value. So, para siyang family tree, left and right, ipag-add mo lang. Ang gold is equivalent to 1.5. So, 1,500 sa left, 1,500 sa right, ipag-add mo lang, meron ka na 3,000. Okay? So, let's say naman titanium. Under the firm mo, kumuha naman sila ng, let's say, ng Health & Wellness product. So, 3,250, 3,250. Okay, ipag-add mo lang, meron ka ng 6,500. Bibigyan ka ni IM ng 6,500. And last of all, pag nag-platinum ka naman, okay? So, pag Health & Wellness sa products naman inabi nila, 4,000, 4,000. So, ipag-add mo lang yung meron ka ng 8,000. Yun yung bibigay sa'yo ni IM. Paano yan, tin? If hindi, pareho yung package. Sa kabila gold, sa kabila platinum. Okay? So, simple lang yan. Kukunin yung pinakamababa, which is yung 1,500, at ito times 2 lang natin. Okay? So, times 2, that's 3,000. So, 1,500 minus 3,750, yung point value ng platinum, yung minus mo lang siya, weighting yung points mo, so hindi siya mawawala. Okay? So, mayroon lang tayong limit per week. Ang limit ng gold is 50,000. Limit ng titanium is 75,000. And limit ng platinum is 100,000. And limit ka na siya kasimple. Okay? So, moving on. So, let's compare. Okay? Let's compare ang gold, titanium, and platinum. Ano ba yung worth at the package na i-avail ko dyan? Okay? So, pag gold, okay? So, mag-refer ka ng 4. So, meron kang 3,535. Tapos, matching na 3,000. So, ang total niyan, pag gold na ni-refer mo, plus kasama pa siya just for you, your total income will be 60,000 sa 4 na ma-refer mo. Okay? So, meaning, yun siya. Next naman natin dito is titanium. Okay? So, sa 4 na ma-refer mo, so, ang income is 6,000 per person, matching is 5,000. So, wala siyang just for you. Your total will be 34,000 pesos. And what more pa, pag kay platinum. Pag kay platinum, every referral mo, let's say kung mo siya ng Health & Wellness products, you'll get 9,000 per person. So, you'll get 36,000 plus yung match commission na 16,088K. And plus just for you, sa 4, na ma-refer mo, bibigyan ka pa ni IM ng 100,000 pesos. Total, that would be 152,000 pesos. Imagine mo, sa 4 na na-refer mo, meaning once a week ka lang mag-refer ng isa. Okay? Pumalit na siya is 152,000 pesos. So, this is our best deal package. Okay? Next naman natin dito is infinity commission. Ito yung reason bakit yung mga kausap namin nag-i-issue ng cheque, nag-join on the spot, nag-withdraw ng cash because of this. Bakit? Ito yung meron sa atin na wala sa ibang company. Okay? So, ayan. So, sa gold, we have 1,000, titanium 2,000, platinum is 2,000. Okay? So, your infinity commission will depend on the package purchased. So, for example, nag-platinum ka. Okay? Platinum package ka. Nag-refer ka ng titanium. Okay? Ang rule ng infinity commission is very simple. Simula sa pangatlong ma-refer mo, sa unang dalawa niya, meron ka pa rin dyan 2,000, 2,000. Okay? So, pag titanium platinum, may 2,000, 2,000 ka. Pag first to yan, down the line, unang dalawa down the line, may 2,000, 2,000, 2,000 ka. Kung napapansin mo, tumatakbo lang yung kabilang side. Yung kabilang side, walang katao-tao. Pero malupit din, kumikita ka pa rin. Tayo lang yung only networking na isa lang gumagana, pero kumikita ka pa rin. Let's say, pang-apat ka sa kabilaan. Okay? So, gold naman inabil niya. Pag gold naman, 1,000, 1,000. Pag first and down the line, yung apat mo unang dalawa, meron kang 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Down line lahat ng unang dalawa yan. At the same time, A and B may matching yan. Okay? So, this is like hitting two birds with one stone. May infinity commission ka na, meron ka pang sales match commission. Okay? Ayan. So, let's compare. Okay? So, sa gold, ang infinity commission mo, pag yung unang dalawa mo, let's say, may pangatlo ka na unang dalawa, meron kang 2,000. Nag-unang dalawa, 4,000. So, hanggang 4 na buwan, ibibilangan mo yan, yung unang dalawa, meron ka pang 32,000 pang 5th month. Okay? So, 32,000. Pag pinag-add ko yung lahat-lahat yan, you almost earned at least 50,000 plus. Okay? So, sa loob ng 5 buwan, okay? So, kung nag-gold ka, bawing-bawi ka na. Infinity commission pa lang. Para natin pag titanium and platinum, alin total naman ng infinity commission. Sa unang dalawa pa lang, ng pangatlo mo, or let's say, nagpang-apat ka, pangatlo, unang dalawa niyan, meron ka ng 4,000. Sa unang dalawa nila, may 8,000 ka, pangatlo, 16,000. Pang-apat, 32,000. Imagine mo, pang 5 buwan, kumita ka na 68,000. Kung pinag-add ko yan lahat na yan, that's almost 100,000 pesos. Pang 5 buwan pa lang, bawing-bawi ka na sa kapital. Doon pa lang sa infinity commission. Hindi ko pa sinasama yung just for you, Hindi pa kasama yung sales match commission. Infinity pa lang to. So, all in all, pag pinag-add ko lahat yan, so imagine mo, 10 months time, that's 2 million na. So, all in all, in 16 months time, that's 262 million pesos. Pero imagine mo right now may choice ka whether yung pera mo nasa bangko or andito sa IM, okay? Pero imagine mo yung pera mo sa bangko, andyan yan, ang tubo lang niya sa isang taon, it is 1% per annum. Kung may 500 pesos ka dati, pag bumili ka sa grocery, nakakailang bag ka na, maraming bag ng grocery. Ngayon, 2060, saan makakarating ang 500 pesos mo? Isang bag na lang ng grocery. So, meaning, presyo na bilhin is pataas, so we're doomed to go down. So, kahit mag-ipon ka, pero hindi mo ininvest sa negosyo, imagine mo, what if sa negosyo na ito, ilalagay mo yung business na ito? I mean, yung capital mo. What will happen yun sa money mo? So, napalago mo pa siya because of this business, okay? So, next naman natin dito, okay, check watch commission. It's very simple. Every person na ma-refer mo, meron ka dyang percentage, okay? So, for example, nag-refer ka ng gold, may 8% ka. For example, may na-refer ka, okay, kumita ka, let's say, 11,000 pesos, okay, meron ka dyang 8%, meaning may 880 pesos ka. What if 10, let's say naman nag-platinum ako, it's very simple, may 10% ka. Kung makakapag-refer ka, let's say, ng tao, na kumikita ng 100k per week na lang, for example, may 10,000 ka. Kung 10k per week, may 1,000 ka. Kung let's say 10k na lang, lima yung kumikita ng 10k per week, tao na refer mo, 1k each yan. Kung sa lima, that's 1,000 each times 5, that's 5k in 1 week. Sa isang buwan, may 4 na linggo, that's 20,000 in 1 month. That's because of the check watch commission. So, this is what's good about the business. Kumikita sila lang, kumikita ka rin the same. This is a mutual benefit. Okay? Next natin dito is team sales. Yung mga franchisees na ma-refer mo, every time they purchase some product, meron ka daw percentage, meron kang 1% na rebates para siyang SM Advantage card. Yung na-refer mo, makapag-refer din ng franchisee. Every time na bumibili sila ng produkto, every time na nag-reorder sila, meron ka pa rin 1%. Imagine mo ha. So, doon sa 5th level pa lang, imagine mo kung nakinita mo dyan. Pero, that's what's good about this business. This is long term, okay? So guys, next naman natin is yung team sales. So, mga dito naman guys, para lang siyang grocery, okay? So, every time nag-purchase ka ng product worth 1.5, yun ang kailangan mo maintenance every month, 1.5 worth of that and wellness products, okay? So, may rebates ka dyan. Kung bibili ka rin naman ng kape, bibili ka rin naman ng coffee, diba? So, baka din nila sa kumpanya humili ng produkto. It's very simple. Next naman natin dito. Kasi sa ibang company kasi worth 7,000 diba? Ang per month. Ito, this is only 1.5. Napakamura lang. Okay? So, ito yung benefit pag bumibili ka ng products. So, kahit user ka lang ng product, kahit hindi ka gano'n ka-active mag-refer, so, qualified ka for IA Project 001. So, para siyang may qualifier dito. So, every month, mayroong mga tao na mabubunot na pasok dito. So, para din siyang family tree, okay? So, yung nasa top 1, yung kikita ng 1 million pesos. Okay? Yung nasa second level naman, meron silang 262,000 each, okay? Sa third level, 65,000. So, fourth level, 60,000, so on and so forth. So, meaning lahat ng tao may chance kaya bumibili ka ng product na makapasok sa IA Project 001. So, this December, ang goal ng company is for the Hong Kong incentive, at least 100 distributors, okay? Na makapasok sa Hong Kong incentive natin. Actually, pinadali talaga, okay? So, kailangan mo lang ng 28,000 RQB left and right. Itanong mo siya doon sa taong nag-invest nyo, pero I'm sure madali niyang i-hit yan. So, we have August 8 to November 7, 2016 para ma-hit mo to, okay? So, anyway, meron din dito option, okay? Kung na-hit mo siya at na-hit mo yung nandalawang beses, yung incentive na may sa amin, isa sa kapamilya mo, okay? Next naman natin dito is yung mga car incentives. If you have seen before slides, marami nakahit ng car incentive last year. So this year, mas pinadali at the same time, mas pinaganda yung incentives natin. So kailangan mo lang ma-hit yung tinatawag na lifestyle points, okay? So yan yung i-explain nyo sa'yo ng tao na refer sa'yo paano mo siya ma-hit. So ito yung ODR incentive natin, Porsche Boxster, okay? At the same time, Chevy Camaro, okay? Tapos FJ Cruiser or Ford Everest, or kahit executive ka, wala ka pang rank, okay? Yung rank, ito naman yung tao na refer sa'yo paano makapasok sa ranking system ng company. So kahit executive ka lang, pwede ka makahit ng ng 1M worth of incentive. Pwede mo na siyang i-cash kung ayaw na part of that. Pwede mo siyang gawing savings also. Okay? So, it's up to you. One of the greatest invention is networking or network marketing. Okay? So, parang pagkain lang to. So, hindi mo siya malalaman kung hindi mo titikman. Okay? So, hindi mo malalaman ang isang bagay kung kaya mo, if di mo siya susubukan. Kung sawa ka na sa buhay mo at nanggigigil ka na bago yung buhay mo this 2016, dahil alam mo kung anong kinikita mo ngayon, hindi mo deserve yan, okay? Alam mo hindi mo worth yan, so welcome na kita in advance dito sa IM. This is our main office along Ortigas Avenue. Okay? So, the question is, paano ka mag-join? It's very simple. Number 1, contact the person. Nagbigay siya ng video na to. Number 2, choose your mode of payment. If cash, pwede bank-to-bank. Credit card, pwede online payment. And check, okay? If nasa Manila ka naman. So, next is fill up the application form. So, may sasas yung application form, fill it out. Okay? So, pag nasa abroad ka naman, you can send na lang yung details and we'll fill it up for you. Next is, send the picture of deposit slip if nasa malay lugar ka, if bank-to-bank yung transaction mo. Okay? Para ma-process namin siya. Okay? So, after processing of your account, okay, you can start ASAP. Welcome in advance to Team Diamond. Welcome sa team namin. And I'm sure this is the start of your journey. So, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, itanong mo doon sa tao na nagbigay sa'yo ng video. So, mabuhay, kaibigan.